Welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn 3 things. Nattadavu, first 2 steps, and Asamyukta Hastas of Bharatanatyam, and a fitness tip about how exercise can actually make your brain grow. Until now we have been learning the Tattadavu, which is the basic step of Bharatanatyam. From today onwards we will start from Nattadavu. Now Nattadavu also has 8 steps, but the only difference is that in Nattadavu the Chollu will be the same for all the 8 steps. We use Aditala for Nattadavu. The meaning of Nattadavu is that Nattu means to stretch. So we do all these steps by stretching our legs. And also one more important thing is that from Nattadavu we start using our hands and legs. Let's look at the step now. First I'll show you the leg. To do the step, first you need to take your leg back. That is, you sit like this and you take your leg back like this and then stretch it outside. So it will be 1, 2, 1, 2. So for the first step it will be only one time that you take your leg outside. Now for the hands, we use this position. This is called Natyaramba, and the mudra will be Tripadaga, like this. So we put our hands stretched outwards with a slight bend in the elbows. Now from the starting stage, if you cannot take your hands in this way, you can also keep it straight, but only for temporary time. That is, once you get the hang of it, please do place your hands in this same position. Now to show you the hands, it will be like this: 1, 2, 1, 2. Now to look at the hands, it will be 1, 2, 1, 2. Now your eyes should be, when it's going sideways, it should be above the hands. That is, don't look directly at the hands because it will be slightly down. Your eyes will be slightly down. So you should look beyond the fingers at a point at the side. Now when you are looking at the side, always fix a point whenever you are doing the step. Now let's look at the step for a demonstration. Now let's look at the second step of Nattadavu. It is the same pattern, you just repeat the number of times you take your leg outside. Let's look at the step now.
in, ta, ha.
So that was the step. Please to practice this step after doing the warm-up that we have learnt last week. Now we will do the 4 mudras of Asamyukta Hastas. By these 4 mudras we will finish the 28 mudras of Asamyukta Hastas. Now the remaining 4 are Mukula, Samdamsha, Tamrachuda, Trishula. For the meanings, Mukula means bud, Samdamsha means pincers, Tamrachuda is cock, and Trishula means Trishula. Now to the fitness tip. When do we exercise? It's either to lose weight and become fit, or when we get some disease and we want to become fit, or whatever may be the reason. But did you know that exercise can also make your brain grow? And this is very important, especially for people who are above 35 years of age, as we all know that by 35 years our brain actually becomes stagnant, and from then on it's usually by memory that our brain work. Now it has been proven by research that the brain actually evolves when we move. So if we are leading a sedentary lifestyle, or we spend a lot of time sitting and being inactive, our brain actually gets a signal that it doesn't need to evolve, it doesn't need to improve itself, so it just becomes stagnant. So exercise can actually make you smarter. That's it for today. We will continue this next week. Thank you. Namaskaram.